From this massive facility in the USA, we uncover how the world's most popular beverage, Coca-Cola, is made.
Every bottle begins far from the factory, where raw ingredients are first grown. Corn is carefully monitored to meet strict agricultural standards.
Once ready, harvesting begins using large-scale mechanical systems.
Harvested crops are immediately guided toward controlled transport.
From the field, raw materials are sealed for safe handling. Load is prepared for its journey to processing facilities.
Secure transport protects ingredient quality from the very start. This journey connects agriculture with large-scale production.
Every delivery enters through monitored access points.
Seals are checked before any material enters production.
Controlled unloading prevents contamination and damage.
Materials move directly into the production environment.
This transition marks the start of internal handling.
The facility is designed to control every stage of production. Access to production areas is carefully managed.
This layout guides materials through a defined path.
Cleanliness is established before handling begins.
Cleaning begins the moment materials enter the system. The next phase begins with initial cleaning.
Movement begins as materials enter controlled systems.
Only approved material proceeds further.
Clean material enters closed transfer systems.
Controlled movement prevents external exposure.
Ingredients are blended uniformly under strict supervision.
Blended liquid moves steadily to the next stage. Monitoring ensures consistency before filtration.
Filtration removes impurities without altering flavor.
Processed liquid is held under controlled conditions. The next step prepares the liquid for carbonation. Carbon dioxide is precisely added for consistent fizz.
The core processed and carbonated liquid is now ready for bottling. Material is now ready for processing. The system transitions into active production.
Preparation systems are now ready to engage.
Carbonated liquid is carefully transferred into bottles for the first time.
Each bottle receives an exact amount of liquid to maintain consistency.
Filled bottles advance toward precise sealing stations. Sealing is executed with exacting precision. Labels are applied automatically, ensuring uniform appearance.
Automated inspection ensures quality without slowing production.
Only bottles meeting strict standards proceed. Bottles are prepared for packaging in organized sets. High-tech automation moves bottles efficiently and precisely. Sorting ensures uniform pallet stacking and safety. Every movement is measured to prevent misalignment. Main transformation is now complete, preparing bottles for final handling. Protective wrapping maintains stability during transport.
Robotics integrate multiple steps seamlessly into production flow. High-tech monitoring tracks every product in real time.
Converging lines maintain efficient throughput without interruption.
Automated inspection ensures precision at every stage. Stacking is fully automated to prevent human error.
The high-tech automation phase ensures accuracy and speed across the production line.
Finishing lines ensure every product is perfectly aligned.
Precision adjustments maintain uniformity across all units.
Every package is checked for protective wrapping before shipment.
Labels are verified with precise automated accuracy. Automatic correction maintains consistent quality.
Weight checks ensure every pallet meets strict specifications. Final guides position products for storage or dispatch.
Human oversight complements automated precision checks. Finished lines feed seamlessly into organized storage. All products are now ready for the final verification stage.
Every pallet undergoes strict quality control before storage.
Samples are taken to verify taste, carbonation, and purity.
Analytical equipment ensures each batch meets company standards.
Data confirms that carbonation and taste are consistent.
Only products passing strict checks continue toward packaging.
QC ensures that all outgoing products meet exacting standards.
Every detail is checked multiple times for reliability. Weight verification. Verification confirms proper packaging and stability. All products are staged and ready for final shipment preparation. Quality control ensures that only perfect products leave the factory. Final packaging prepares products for distribution nationwide. Each pallet is tracked to ensure precise inventory control. Forklifts carefully move pallets to the transportation area.
Precision placement ensures stability during transit. All pallets are securely loaded for delivery.
Each shipment is verified before leaving the facility.
Transportation connects the factory to distributors across the country.
Products leave the controlled environment for global delivery.
Every shipment is part of a coordinated supply chain. And this is how modern factories produce Coca-Cola from start to finish.